In this video, I'm going to show you how to open multiple windows in QuickBooks Desktop. So to do this, first you want to go to the View menu top left, and then from here you want to click on the multiple windows if you have one window selected. So make sure multiple windows has a check mark next to it, and then whenever you've done that, also make sure you basically select over here where it says top left or hide to select it either left icon bar, or of course you could do top icon bar depending on your preferences to ensure the side menu is visible. Now when it shows the side menu, so make sure there's a check mark over here. What you want to do is the following. You want to go to the bottom here where it says open windows, and that's going to show you your open windows, and you can click on any window and you can switch between them seamlessly just like this. So if I open, for example, a new window, like for example, let's do this one over here, that's going to open a new window over here, and then I can just go ahead and essentially make it full screen and click between them seamlessly, okay? So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.